also like to request our Honorable Mayor and Ma'am Lisa to take part in this installation process. Now I would like to read to you the citation of the designation given to Sir Roniel. To Mr. Roniel Manayon, designation order as teacher in charge of Cordova National High School. You are hereby designated as teacher in charge of Cordova National High School, Cordova, Cebu, effective immediately. This designation does not entitle you to additional remuneration nor preference for promotion. However, your experience in this designation may be considered as administrative experience. As designated teacher in charge of the school, you are responsible for the proper implementation of all DepEd programs and projects in your area of responsibilities and to perform other related functions as may be assigned, delegated to you by this office according to the standards set by the Department of Education. Further, you may be replaced once a full-fledged school head becomes available. This is for your information and compliance. Signed, Dr. Arden Bimonisip, Schools Division Superintendent. From me, I would like Ma'am Lisa to hand this in to Honorable Mayor Secretary. Congratulations, good luck, and best wishes to your new designation. I know how you love Sirino. So thank you very much and good morning once again.
And now, the moment that you've all been waiting for, to make his acceptance speech, always the man of the hour, and now the big boss of Cordova National High School, Mr. Roniel D. Manayon.
To our ever-supportive and very dynamic Mayor Cordova, Honorable Delina Spray. To our one of the SB member, Honorable Lemuel Pugoy. Brother Captain of Dias, Honorable Rosa Maria Suwan. Captain of and of course, our guest this morning from the division office, our area consultant, Ma'am Neneta Haralbe. And of course, my colleagues, good morning. It's been a long while since we had our last installation program way back 2011. Good morning. So the installation was on my designation as school caretaker of Cordova National High School. There were minor problems encountered because during that time I was not able to depart to the meeting, so I was not given the chance to be immediately assigned as the teacher in charge of the school. But at last, has finally come. But before I will accept the challenge of being the new teacher in charge of Cordova, let me take this opportunity to thank the following persons. First and foremost, our Honorable Mayor for the support to the school. I know previous pronouncements that we are not joining the competition, the contest, considering that we still have, or the mayor has major projects going on. And knowing the expenses, of course, it's a big issue. But when we ask for assistance, because we are asked also by the division office to join, so considering that we are also loyal servant of the division office, so we accept the challenge of being the contingent and the contestant for the Sinulog sa Kabataan. So when we ask for assistance from the mayor, the budget approved without any second thoughts. So thank you so much, Mayor, for the support to the school. Secondly, of course, to our finance chairman sa SB, we have Honorable Lemuel Pugoy. Thank you so much, sir, for being all the among mga program of board submitted. So, yung problema, approved also, tanan. And of course, Ma'am Neneta Haralpe for being there at all times. So, appeal ko si Ma'am sa among sorong-soroy dito. When there were mga rumors that there will be someone who will be coming here in Cordoba. So ma'am, thank you so much. And of course, Ma'am Liza Manigo. Tabang yun din sila na ko. And the rest of the principals sa elementary. I guess this is the first time that the school heads of the elementary and the high school are as one. So, salamat kayo. And every time I have problems or queries with regards to education, I always ask them. So that is why we observe some support in our projects, in our participation in the different activities. Andang pagana nga maghatag sa mga kinahanglanon para sa mga nagkalain-lain ng contest. And of course, most importantly, to my colleagues. In Cordoba National High School, we work as a team. Walay boss. That is why in some of our activities, we came out successful because everyone played their roles. So atong matagan sa masukang pakpak ang mga teachers for their support. That even though we grow in the school together, but still the respect is there, and that can be shown best because they work with me as a key player in every activities. So salamat. And of course to the students, many times you may see me as a strict person, especially some policies in the school.
Congratulations to our new school head, Mr. Renil Manayon.